The best champorado ever.
Don't sound weird. It's weird. Today we do the good one. If I need to be honest, I'm not fan of chocolate with dry fish.
It's a kit.
But let's have a look. This rice is the best you can find from Mama Sita Foundation to preserve the Filipino food around the world. Chocolate the same, sugar the same, and of course we unpack it today just for you. The fish is an add-on. And look at that. Smell incredible, looks unbelievable with the condensed milk. Let's try this beauty.
Champorado. The best ever. And make your own. And look at that.
Ingredient of this beautiful Filipino breakfast.
1 cup of sticky rice.
Directly from the field. This, if you wanna know, is called Balatinao rice. Let's open the box. A premium Filipino black heirloom rice. It's like a present. Variety from the Cordillera region.
It's a kit.
And of course we unpack it today just for you. Look at that. I believe this is
The
super Filipino cacao.
and the rice from Balatinao.
Today we do the good one. Neither in Philippines you can find. But let's go through the chocolate. 100% pure chocolate from Mindanao. Where is Mindanao?
Mindanao is the southernmost island in the Philippines.
And let's open this beauty coming directly from the farm in Mindanao. This is the full kit, that means include even the sugar.
Yeah.
From Mindanao. Impressed. But look at that. Pure chocolate, 100% natural. Smell unbelievable, guys. I like to show you because look this sugar. Super refined sugar. Again, thank you, Mama Sita.
Since the Mamacita is not available in the market yet, hopefully they will come in soon, we can give you the other options. 1 cup of sticky rice. And for every 1 cup of sticky rice, you will be needing 4 to 5 cups of water. Half cup of cocoa powder. Half cup of brown sugar. You can use the white sugar if it's not available, but this will also help for the color. And condensed milk or evaporated milk for the topping.
There is no champorado or Filipino breakfast champorado without that. Unbelievable. It's dry fish called tuyo. You will fry and will balance this beautiful sweetness of the rice. Unbelievable for breakfast. I'm really excited.
But of course, be careful when you cook it because you will be surprised. It's smelly. This is how we fry the dry fish here in the UAE. Outside. It's common, but of course, for some people, we find it weird even though we are Filipino.
Don't sound weird. It's weird. Smell carabao. Champorado come in this case from Mexican culture. From this beautiful hot chocolate drink made with masa or corn flour or corn mixed flour called champorado with double R. And of course, Filipino transform the masa in rice and become what we know today. Rice porridge, and actually is something like that. And this in Mexico doesn't exist, but Filipino are the best.
For the steps, it's super easy using Mamacita Champorado kit. Wash this rice with water and then pour it in the pot all together with this cacao with sugar. 3.5 cups of water. If you will use the normal recipe, first is you need to wash malagkit rice with water. Boil 1 cup of malagkit rice with 4 cups of water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then, dissolve the cocoa powder with water and pour it on the boiling rice. Cook the rice until it gets thicker. Then you can add the brown sugar, 1/2 cup. Then wait until the rice is completely cooked. And that's it. You can remove it on the fire and serve it.
But you must know that this is not just a dish, this is culture. It's preserving the ancient grain, the chocolate, the sugar. It's years and years of farming and preserving. That means what we taste today is not just a dish, it's a celebration of the culture and the Filipino cuisine around the world. And that's it, guys. That was not just a paper. It's a story of life. If you don't know what is Pinipig, it's a flat rice grain, if you see. Actually, it's in amateur glutinous rice, mainly used for halo-halo and a lot of recipe like polvorones in the Philippines. This version of the Champorado you will never taste in your life. That's the one from ancient rice to ancient chocolate and sugar. There is no another one. Today we do the good one. If I need to be honest, I'm not fan of chocolate with dry fish, but this rice is the best you can find from Mama Sita Foundation to preserve the Filipino food around the world. Chocolate the same, sugar the same. The fish is an add-on. And look at that. Smell incredible, looks unbelievable with the condensed milk. And let's test this baby. I'm not fan of sweet, but the grain of the rice, you still feel the rice. Unbelievable, the chocolate incredible because it's pure chocolate, not so sweet. The fish, of course, I will not order it for breakfast, but balance the sweetness. Unbelievable recipe, guys.
I'll try it now with the fish because it's gonna be my first time.
Very
Because
nice.
thinking about it sweet and then fish, it sounds weird, but listen.
Don't sound weird. It's weird. It's very good.